Hi, this is Rob again. I'm going to show you this lovely Massey Ferguson 35. I've shown it before on a previous video, but I just want to run through it now because I've turned the engine off and you can enjoy it as it is. Okay, here we go. I'll flip the camera around actually. Right, there it is. I've just given it a little polish. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a 1958 Massey Ferguson 35 4-cylinder. So it's very sweet, very smooth. It's been fully restored and it's just beautiful. Taking it out on the road, everything's tight. It's been restored by a Massey Ferguson engineer. You can tell that everything's tight, all the bushes, the steering, there's just no play. It's just really, really nice. Everything works as it should. It's just cool. A cool bit of kit. Brand new tyres. Just love these tractors. I've had quite a few. If you look at my channel, I've had Lamborghinis, I've had Porsches. I've had quite a few Porsches actually, about 6 of them, fully restored. It's road registered now, so I can take it out. As you can see, everything has been done on this. Fitted an old Auga horn, which sounds good. It's a petrol TVO, which is tractor vehicle oil. So you start it up on petrol and then you flip the switch over to TVO, so it's cheaper to run and it smells lovely as well. It's a beautiful smell, which is it's like a central heating oil basically. And there we are, there's 2 tanks. Usually one's petrol and one's TVO, but what we've done on this instance, I filled both with TVO, and I've cut into the actual fuel pipe on a T with this small little reservoir for petrol. So when I leave the tractor, I turn the fuel tap off on the other side and run it all the way home. That's the fuel tap there, so I just turn that off there, let it run till it's virtually empty, and then that will run right through into the carb, and then I turn it off, and then before I start it I put fuel in there. I drain the actual TVO, what's remaining, into a small little can in there, and then you can actually smell the petrol when it comes through. Then it will start first time. Let it warm up for a few minutes. That was good. And then switch it back on the TVO. So you're only using a small amount of fuel, which is a lot dearer these days. But there we go. Hope that explained a few little things, but as you can see, it really is a lovely little tractor. Please like and subscribe to my video because there's many more videos. There's quite a lot I've taken as well, especially of this lovely Fiat Abarth. I've got Suzuki GT 125, Suzuki GT 380, got a Messerschmitt KR 200. Just a few little things. Under the cover there's an Alfa Romeo GTV 6, so you see the videos on that one as well, which is lovely. So please like and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.